All right, problem number 30. I got a table. They don't tell me the total number, so that I have to figure out on my own. Yuck. So what part of the campers were young adults, teens, or children? Let's find out. Using the tools that were given to us, it should be red, right? Let's go back to green. See if I get green. Nope. One more time, green. I want green. Here it is. Young adults is here, which is 5. Plus teens is going to be here, which is right about here, 25. That's 30. And then children is right here. Let's go across 60. That's 90 out of something. So I already got 90 here. Here's another 60. So 90 and 60 is 150. Then plus another 50. Well, that's 200. So 90 out of 200. Okay, it's a little less than half. Again, get rid of the zeros. I got 9 over 20. Divide that by 2. Divide that by 2. I don't know. Maybe that's the answer. 9 over 20. Let's find out. It's not that one. It's not that one. It's this one. One of these two. So what is 9 over 20? So 9 over 20. So let's talk about 9 over 20. If I draw, for example, a strip diagram, and I'm going to compare the percent problem. See, because 9 over 20 is a simplified fraction. I can't simplify it no more. So it's neither one of these two, right? And I know that 10 over 20 is what? 50%. So I know just by looking at the test, it's going to be 45%. That's my answer, by the way. It's 45%. How do I know? It tells me right there. Okay, but anyways, let me just keep working it out. Okay, this whole thing is 100%, and halfway is what? 50%. This is the other what? 50%. I know that half from 0 to 20 is 10. Okay, and if I cut that in half, and I put 5, and I cut this guy in half, that's 25%. So over here is at 9. Right? I can actually go by tens at this point, right? I make it to 6, that'll be 30%. I make it to 7, that'll be 35%. I make it to 8, that'll be the 40%. From here to here would be 40. Get it? An extra 5. So over here would be, it's going by 5s basically, guys. So this is cut into 5s, right? 1. So 5, so it's going to be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and so on. So I'm going to get to what over here, that 45%. It gives me that 9 out of the 20 thing here. So that's one way to look at it. It's doing the strip diagram, a double strip diagram, or I could do what's called a double number line. Double number line. So I should have said it. So I come like this, 0, 100%, and I can cut it by 10s, like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. You see what that's me? 90. And over here I can say, okay, I have my number line here, and this is a 0 to 20. Okay, so this is 100% out of the 20. And actually here at the half is the number 10, that's my 50%. So what number goes here? Well, then you get cut into 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that'll be the 45%, and that'll be my 9 out of the 10. So that it lines up. So 9 out of 20. 9 out of 20 is 45%. Another way to do it with pictures instead of, all abstract and stuff like that. Draw pictures, guys. It's awesome. And if you're a 7th grader, we did this with you, hopefully in 6th grade.